This terrible start.
That, come on.
Alright, ready? Here we go.
Oh my goodness. He's going way faster than you are, Allison. You're like a turtle.
I can't get this one going faster.
Hold on, it's slippery.
Help? Do you think I can help? I slipped out of the good spot.
She's like falling out, and then Eric stopped. Eric, go like push Allison. Like,
She doesn't need to be pushed.
Wow. Now you guys like look on the ground like dead.
Come on, Grandma.
Joe looks so sweaty. She's like crawling back over here. Oh my God.